Hello everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to my Beautiful Nights channel. For this video I'm going to open up another monthly subscription from BohemStyle. In case you're interested in this box, I will leave a link for it down there below in the description bar. So let's go ahead, open this up and see what's inside. And by the way, the last time I did this, they were doing video tutorials and then they went to PDFs because they had requests for that. And now it was actually a video tutorial with pictures, so they actually did both last time. I don't know if it'll be like this time, but they did do that. So there's a link in here for the instructions on how to do this. And by the way, both instructions, the video way or the read-along PDF file, both of them are super easy to follow and understand. I love them both. Alright, so let's see. What do we have? Oh, there is a Cabochon. This little red one. Last month's subscription from this box was so epic. It was a necklace and bracelet. I think I'll put a picture of it up now. That was a really cool box. I liked that piece a lot. So here's the cab. I think it's 10. It's a glass cab. And then we have some 6mm check fire polish beads in olivine color. Very pretty. Okay, and then we have some extender chain. And then there is some metal beads. These are heavy and they are gorgeous. Looks like a leaf. And there's a lot in this bag. They are really pretty. Nice size holes. Okay. And then there is bead string wire right here. And then we have our crimp tubes. And then, what is this? This looks cool. So this is probably going to be a bracelet. I gotta open this. Where does it open? Right here. This is really cool. So there's a Cabochon setting in here. That's so cool. It's adjustable too. I like that. And you know what else? I just had an idea. Like, put a cab in here. I don't know if there's anything else they're going to do to this. But right here, it would be really cool to do macrame. That's what I'm into currently right now is macrame. But do just a square knot right over this metal piece all the way down. Do it with nylon. Or some kind of synthetic beading cord that can be melted so it doesn't come off. So like do a bead on each side and just, you know what I'm saying, a bead on each side and do square knots all the way down here. It wouldn't even take much cord to do it. Maybe like 2 feet of cord to be safe. But that's pretty cool. I'll put that back in the bag later. Alright, here is a bail. It's a bead bail where it looks like a bead, but it has a loop on it. I think it has, is it berries? Berries or grapes? It's very pretty. So that is probably going to go on a pendant, I'm assuming. Here is a really gorgeous lobster claw clasp, super shiny. And then here is the cab. I'm going to sit this cab in my bracelet and see what it looks like. That's very pretty. Alright. So I'll have to glue that in there, and I'm going to use E6000 glue because it is the best. That's very pretty. And then we have seed beads. I think they're 10-0 seed beads. They're silver lined AB red or cyan. And then we have big jump ring. I think it's a 10 millimeter, 8 or 10. And then we have ball head pins. And then, wow, there's a bunch of stuff in here. And then we're going to Rondelles, gorgeous Rondelles, like a dark ruby red with metallic on the sides. It kind of looks like gunmetal. Those are very gorgeous. Alright, and then still going. What's next? Oh, is this her pendant? Yes, I got one of these before. Not from this box, but from their Check Beads exclusive box. And it's very beautiful. So there it is. Isn't that pretty? So that little red cab I had. So this one, it's going to go in there. Like that. That's so pretty. Alright, and then we have crimp covers. 2 of them. And then there's more beads. These are Rondelles. I actually wonder what the difference between this rondelle and the other one is. Like, what's it called? Because this one, I definitely know is a rondelle, right? It has rounded sides. But this rondelle here has flat sides. Almost like it's cut. See what I'm saying? Again, this is the olivine color. And then we have jump rings. They look like 6 millimeter. And a split ring, 6 millimeter. And what is this? Big, gorgeous check rondelles. And in case you didn't know, check rondelles really are the best quality rondelles. They have perfectly smooth, rounded holes, and they will not cut your thread. See the holes there on the bead? You could tell a lot by a bead just by looking at the hole, what kind it is. And I can instantly tell that these are check, just because of how the bead looks like on the side. It's round, very smooth, the facets are perfect on it. So I know that it's check. But the glass ones, the Chinese, it's Chinese or Japanese ones? I think it's Chinese. Theirs is very rough on the sides. Most of them will actually be chipped. You'll see a chip on it, and they will cut your thread over time. Alright, and then the very last thing is 2 4mm check fire polish beads. And by the way, I use all beads. I love all beads. I use acrylic beads, I use wooden beads, gemstones, but I will say that my favorite beads are definitely check. Swarovski, I use those too. I don't have a lot of those. So there is a 4mm check fire polish. Alright, this is it. I'm excited to see what this piece is like. These cabs are so gorgeous. And I'm gonna put this together, and I will have a picture of this piece at the beginning and end of this video. And even though I mentioned this in the video, you guys always tell me every time you can't wait to see what I'm gonna make with this box. But the picture's at the beginning and at the end. This is it. I will put a link for the subscription box down there in the description bar, so you can go and check it out for yourself. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please like this video, leave me a comment, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and make sure that you click the bell button so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos. And check me out on my social media sites. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Thanks for watching.